Thefretwire Test Lab. Today we're going to be looking at the Thefretwire Tron style pickups. There's a humbucker style pickup with a split case reminiscent of filter Trons and other pickups of the past. They feature 4-conductor wiring, so these are perfect whether you want a traditional humbucker or if you want to split coils, out of phase, any other kind of wiring mods. These are great. It's a great all-around pickup. The neck comes in at 7.2 k ohm and the bridge at 13.5 k ohm. And let's give them a listen. There you have it for the Thefretwire Tron style pickups. These are available with either a chrome case or a black on black case, and they're available on Amazon, Reverb, and of course at thefretwire.com.